g'day, bonjour, hi, I'm Michaela and welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to be making a salted caramel ice cream with cottage cheese. I know it sounds pretty bizarre, but we all know cottage cheese is loaded with protein. This is super easy. There's like 4 ingredients and you don't need an ice cream machine. So we take our cottage cheese, we're going to put it in the blender. People won't know it's cottage cheese. We're going to add some maple syrup. And then we're going to add some salt for the salted caramel, and that as much or as little as you want. And then we're just going to blend it up until it's smooth. So the key is to really blend it nice and smoothly. We're going to take some dates. If your dates are really hard, you want to soak them in hot water first and then chop them up. You can have chunks of dates in there, or you can do it completely smooth. So I've beaten it up because I want it nice and smooth, but you can leave chunks in there if you want. So it's lovely and smooth. And now we're going to pour it into a loaf tin and we're going to pop it in the freezer. And that's it. Again, very simple. And then once it's frozen, you want to let it sit for a little bit before you serve it so it gets nice and soft. So here we go, I'm going to pop it in a loaf tin. And people won't know it's cottage cheese. I love cottage cheese. It's so versatile. All right. And the caramel comes from the dates. If you ever, always leave your dates in the fridge, makes them nice and caramelized. All right, so there we have it. So we're going to pop it in the freezer and I'll come back and show you what it looks like when it's all done. Okay, so it's all set. It's been in the freezer, it's frozen. So we're going to cut a slice and see what it looks like. You want to take it out so a little bit before you want to serve it. Here we go. Oh, look at that. Try it. See if it's really salted caramel. It's a bit hard. It needs to sit a tad more to be softer, but we'll just, there we go. Here we go. It's very nice. If you're expecting salted caramel like you would from a Ben & Jerry's pint, it's not it, but it's really nice. It's creamy, it's smooth, it's packed full of protein, it's got the dates. Try it, you're really gonna like it. 5 ingredients, salted caramel ice cream. Enjoy!